Section 13-6, calculating the space inside spheres. When it spins, the quarter forms what appears to be a sphere. To the nearest hundredth of a cubic inch, how much space does the spinning quarter occupy? So, how much space does the spinning quarter occupy when it's spinning and it appears to be a sphere? So we're talking about the inside of the sphere. When you're talking about the inside, you're talking about volume. So volume of a sphere formula is what I will use. Now I'll be using pi is 3.14. So I'll replace pi with 3.14. Now what is my radius? Did the problem give us radius? No, the problem gave you diameter. Remember, radius is equal to your diameter divided by 2. So we'll take this value, 0.995, and divide it by 2. So if you take 0.995 and divide it by 2, you end up with 0.4975. That is your radius, 0.4975. And you can put a 0 in front of that if you choose to. So it'd be 0.4975 cubed. All right? So this is our formula now. 4/3 times 3.14 times 0.4975 cubed. I must raise this number to my exponent first. So 0.4975 times 0.4975 times 0.4975. Okay? So when I multiply that out, I end up with 0.12313436. Okay? Now this is 4/3 times 3.14 times this value. Okay? Now remember, all that's over 1. So you already have this amount in your calculator. You can multiply that times 3.14 times 4. So let's do that. Times 3.14 times 4 gives me 1.546567555. Now you can go ahead and round if you want to. It's more precise if you don't round, so I do recommend you to keep several decimal places. So when you multiply straight across, this is what you get divided by 3. So if we divide by 3, I end up with 0.515522. Okay, now we're supposed to round it to the nearest hundredths. Okay, rounding it to the nearest hundredths. 1 is in the hundredths place. Does this 1 need to stay a 1 or become a 2? Look to the number to the right. If it is 5 or greater, the number goes up. 4 or less, the number stays the same. So this rounds to 0.52. Okay? So therefore, the space occupied by the spinning quarter is about 0.52 inches cubed. And we could put a 0 in front of that if we wanted to. 0.52 inches cubed.